Heyo. Heyo, heyo. Uh, okay, that's that. Make sure the music is good to go. Connect. It's connecting the. Your voice, some rubbish. Some rubbish. Very annoying. I was sure to let that YouTube channel know what's up, your boy. Thank you very much. Thank you. Absolute rubbish. Absolute rubbish. Rubbish. Okay, we're good to go here. We shall see if we get to my rubbish. Yo, D. Hi, D. Hi. Let's go. Yeah, guys, don't forget to smash a like, hit that subscribe. By the way, you can see comments. We're streaming from two platforms, guys, at the same time. So Michelle is on Twitch. Hi, Michelle. You guys can't see the comments on here on YouTube's, but yeah. So YouTube and Twitch at the same time. But anyways, yeah. Hi, hi, hi. Hi guys. Uh, hi D. D says D D YouTube sucks. There you go. Unbelievable, right? On unbelievable. Anyways, let me see here. Let's see. A little bit of crypto. What happened and how long were you down for? Kelly, we could come back right away, but I just wanted to figure out what happened. You can see the comments. You can see. You can see it on screen or like on YouTube. No, you can only see the comments like on screen, but you can't see the comments here on YouTube though. So you can see like YouTube comments are here on YouTube and Twitch comments are on Twitch. But if I put them on screen, you can see them. But other than that, like they both stay at like where they are. Uh, Heyo, Stuart. Heyo, heyo. Yeah, no, some fancy seeing you here. The only issue, D, is you guys are gonna have less comments. You guys will have less comments. You guys are gonna be very. What is Twitch? Twitch is just another streaming platform, Jason. Just in case like we ever have issues, we can just like move over, right? So we have two people. Like we have people on Twitch and people on YouTube's. But yeah. Anyway, so Michelle is over on Twitch. The stream is super laggy on Twitch. It is. Oh. How can we fix that, Michelle? How do we fix that? Can can suck it. I'm getting the same thing you are. Uh-oh. Twitch is laggy. D says, why? Why is that though? Like, how can we fix that? Uh, oh, I can see now. It's frozen? Yeah. Uh, hmm. I wonder if I. But then I'd have to completely shut that down. 1 second. Let me see if I can fix it, and then let me know if it works. Uh, no, that's not what I want. Let me know if it's working now. Let me know if it's working now. I'm just gonna do like music on there. Na, na, na. Can we just play the same music we've been playing? Can we just do that? Mm-mm. Of course not. Na, na, na. Recently played. Let me know if it's better now? frozen. Come to YouTube and show. Yeah, let me know if it's let me know if it's back now. Let me see. Show me two replays. What's happening, bro? In it, I had to come on. Had to come on. Let's go, Michelle. Yeah, it's working now. In it, Sesh. In it. Yeah, it's working now. Let me know, D. Had to come on here. Yeah, Michelle, that was highly questionable for a second, but it's working now. Highly questionable, Michelle. Anyways, we'll give it a second and then we can get into the crypto and whatnot, right? So that's Bitcoin sitting at 22.9. We've had a little bit of a sell-off, and in it, bro. and so we have CPI data coming out tomorrow, so that's obviously going to affect everything, stocks, crypto, whatnot, right? Yeah, Michelle should be fixed now. It's fixed. Seems to be working now. I think it's just because I'm running way too many streaming things at the same time. So that's gonna have to be. I'm gonna have to figure that out how to run that. And next door. Interesting. Let's go, Edwin. Back to business, Pablo. Carry on and make those monies, Pablo. Thank you very much. Back to business. Back to business. Yeah, Michelle, take a look. I like how you guys are like over there though, but like this is gonna be like where most of the comments are. Like that's just like a backup, right? So that's just a backup. So we don't have to be on there, but that's just a backup. I can just run, you know? I can just run, and then yeah. Man, my God, shook up when I saw BTC. You did? It's still laggy, Michelle. Are you sure? Oi. How do we fix that? How do we even fix that then? Still laggy. Just like everything, I think they can manipulate the CPI. Honestly, Jason, exactly. Exactly. We could get somebody need to fix that. Yeah. The question is, how do we fix that though? How do we fix that? How do we fix that? No, I agree, Jason. Right, I agree, and that's something that like we might have to just wait till tomorrow and kind of play the reaction, right? See which direction we take into the rest of the week, and then go from there. If it made me smile. I know, Stuart. I know. I just wish I was short. Um, Everyone all good? Yeah. Hopefully, you guys are doing well. Hopefully, you're having a good evening, guys. Let's see here. I'll see if we can if I can fix it there, Michelle. Hmm. A little better, but still laggy. D. Okay, sounds good. Yeah, a little bit laggy, a little bit better. Seems to be working on my end though. Like I'm kind of listening on my phone. Let's go, Jeff. Let's go. Glad that you are back. Let's make those monies, Jeff. Please and thank you. Please and thank you. Yeah, it's working on my end. Like D, it's working on my end. Like it's really working on my end. Like I'm, watching a little bit bridgy. Yeah. I mean, might as well get this sell-off over with, right? So let me see what the daily chart again looks like here for Bitcoin. A little bit bridgy, right? So I mean, we've had a triple top at $24,000, right? So I just wish that we were confident enough to short it. You know what I mean? Like I mean, we struggled at this level, like $24,000, $24,000, $24,000, right? So we've struggled at that level 3 times here now. What are we sitting at? 20? Okay, cool, right? So yeah, again, so for Bitcoin to completely sell off here, like if this daily candle in the next 22 hours If this thing breaks below, like if we fail to close above 28, like 28,850 here, right? If we fail to close above this 20, this 20 EMA here, um, yeah, I'll probably selling off, right? To 2021 5 here, 21.6, whatever this level is, right? So that's probably what's going to happen. So in the next 24, 22 hours here, right? So next 22 hours, if we are breaking below 22 $850, right below that 20, right? So I'm gonna use so this level here, right? You can see how we bounced off this moving average last time we dipped, right? Last time we bounced up this level and right back up, right? So we're doing something very similar here, right? You see this daily candle here broke below, but then closed above and then rallied to 24 again, right? If this candle closes below that moving average tomorrow, yeah, 21 5 incoming, right? So that's what's going to happen here for BTC. I want to no, but it's buffering, or it wants to why can't I type? It wants to. Yeah, it's working really well on my end. Like it's working fine on my end completely. Like I don't have any legs. Like I have my headphones on and I'm listening and watching and like no legs at all on my end. So I'm not sure what's going on. Uh you're hoping our CPI data is good. I like rallies. I like when the market rallies, but we'll see. This is not sleepy time. What's yeah. How low can we go? That's the question, Tesh. Yeah, so the next level to watch would be that 21.6 level, right? Uh, your device, guys. Mine is fine. Tesh says mine is fine. Your Twitch is fine, Tesh, or your YouTube. It says you're on YouTube. That's why you're on YouTube's. They're on Twitch. They're watching from Twitch. So that's why it's laggy. Like mine is completely okay. Like my Twitch is fine. My sleepy steward YouTube's. Let's go, Blair. Oh yeah. Oh Tesh. Blair. I'm getting eating my by mosquitoes. You're getting eaten by mosquitoes watching this stream. I sprayed it off. It's okay. Alone in company. Alone, Blair. Let's go, Blair. What are you drinking tonight, Blair? What are you drinking? Are you drinking anything, Blair? I'm just just asking for a friend. Um, there's a little room. You guys haven't seen the room yet. So when Blair used to come on stream, like Blair has this little like everything is red. I know, right? So yeah, BTC is still holding up there though. But yeah, I mean, there's a lot of selling pressure happening here, Jason, right? So it might be a bloody night before bounce tomorrow morning. Like it might be a bloody night. So I know you're short GMT, right, Jason? You're short GMT, and Stuart is waiting. Not enough. This is not enough. Not enough. La 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 la. Not enough. Yeah, no, we'll see what happens here, right tonight, and then go from there. Gameplay. Thank you very much. Hello. Merci beaucoup. Merci. Interest. No Blaze. Yeah, like there's a little room where like Blaze streams from, and like mosquitoes come in there and like absolutely destroy him. But anyways, yeah, look at BTC go, right? So BTC is currently sitting below that moving average. But again, there's still a lot of time left for that thing to see what it does, right? So if I pull up the 1 minute time frame here for BTC, I mean, you can obviously see how it's selling off, right? Like we're going to the abyss if we fail to hold above. Like over the next few hours here, it might be a bloody night. Like we might sell off all night, and then hope we have some good data tomorrow to kind of give us a rebound. Next to me, it's 2 a.m. TT. Tess is I got Marianne snoring next to me. It's 2:30 a.m. here. It's late, Tesh. Tesh, thank you very much. Thank you. You criminal. Um, no, I think again. So you can maybe play with some shorts tonight because maybe that's the direction we're going to lean in. To the bridge we go, cuz to the bridge we go, right? So again, direction might lean we might lean to the downside here as the night goes on, and then tomorrow morning, that's when data is going to kind of give us the next sense of direction, right? So, uh, 3, my French, French on Siri, yeah. I see what you're saying, Blair. You criminal. No, I said Siri, then my Siri activated. My Siri activated, and I keep saying it, and it keeps activating. Keeps activating. Oh well. Is it yeah. D, let me know if it's better. Let me know if it's better. Like on there. I wonder if it's like because you guys close it down. Like mine just pauses and then like when I come back it resumes. I don't know. No, we're speaking some French, Michelle. Oh, you're back on YouTube? So, okay, sounds good. I thought maybe you were still on there. Parlez-vous français? Français, français, oui, oui. Hi, my name is, what's that joke again? Uh, are you from France? Because I like your oui, oui. Have you heard that? That's Ian's pickup line. Hi, are you from France? Because I like your oui, oui. Hey guys, I'm really not drunk. Very sure. It's not. Yes, it is, Michelle. I don't know what. Well, it's Cajun Siri. That's what it is. Anyway, so BTC is bouncing a little bit, guys. It's gonna be a few hours of this, right? Non-stop on up and downs. Um, Stuart, you're still waiting for those dips, right? Aren't you? Are you still waiting for that dip ski? Michelle, did you sell Matic finally, or are you still holding it? This is a question I really want to know. Are you still holding Matic, Michelle? Anyways, let me take a look at let me take a look at coin market cap here. This Stewart needs to. Oh yeah, Stewart needs to be sleeping. No, Stewart wants monies, opportunities, right? So, I know this one's been annoying. A zero. What is it at now? Well, it's dipping, D. It's dipping. Yeah. I mean, we looked at this thing so much when it was at a little bit better, but still leggy. Oi, oi. Why is it leggy though? That's my question. Like, why is it leggy? I have no idea, and that's really annoying. Hmm. So it's house of rubbish. House of rubbish. Hours of rubbish. Yeah, I don't know. Do you might just have to like. I don't know why. Like, I don't see any lag on my end, or like when I watch it on my phone, like nothing at all. But anyways, yeah, no, we spent we actually spent some time looking at this. Yeah, 1 second. 1 second, guys. Uh, la, 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 la. We thrive on rubbish. um, what did YouTube say in the end? These guys are very useless, like very very useless. They're like, how about you just let the claim expire? Like that's not the point. Like that's not the point. Unbelievable. Anyways, uh, yeah. Anyways, Blair, thank you. We are rubbish, not you. No, all rubbish. Blair, we are all rubbish. All of us. Mr. Williams, oops. What do you mean? What do you mean, Mr. Williams? Maybe we need to get a started to buy your super computer. That's not what it is. I don't think. Maybe it is. Maybe I need a new computer. As it stands up, he's ready to thrust, isn't it? Making it rain. Yeah, like Blair's in that little room, Michelle. I'm telling you, like that little room that Blair sits in with like all the alcohol in there. That's where Blair's sitting at. There's one time we had to bring Blair on stream, and maybe Blair needs to come on. Maybe Blair needs to come on. Let me know, Blair. What's your internet speed? No, like I mean, it's streaming on YouTube. Like it's working fine on YouTube. It's just Twitch. Like, yeah. Anyways, I don't know what's going on there. On there, I wonder if like I honestly don't know what's happening on there. He's at McDonald's. No, that's not what it is. I promise, that's not what it is. But anyways, no, zero looks good here. It's had a nice rally. It's finally dipping here deep. So you might get some opportunities to scale in closer to $1. Uh, no, it's not the. Anyways, yeah, no, I'm regretting. Yeah, end of the year, 70. Look at that. People are calling for $75, $200 at the end of the year. That's just not good. That's just not going to happen. But yeah, people are optimistic. D, what's happening? You're back. Let's go, Mr. Levitz. Yeah, we're back. We're back. We're back. We're back. We're back. Anyways, virus, and what? We all exist from a thrust. From a thrust. Good morning, virus. Do you know what time it is? It's not morning. No morning. Virus, let's go. Thank you for the super chat, Virus. People smoking some opium. Yeah, right. Like, oh, it's going to $200 at the end of the year. No, Mr. Levitz. Virus is the ultimate thruster. Mr. Thrust, the virus. Yeah, I don't know. Maybe I push to $2 at the end of the year. Maybe. $200 in how many months? I just don't see that happening, but hope yeah, virus. Good. How are you? Good to see you. Good to see you. Yeah, I have no idea why. I wonder if it's because it's streaming to two different spots. So like one is prioritized, maybe. Like I do not see like I do not see a single glitch, like on my end, like not at all. Looking for that $5 flow tomorrow. The wall $5 flow. Wow. Like nothing at all on my end. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know, Michelle. I don't know why it's not working. Yeah. No, we'll see. We'll see. Maybe because I don't know. Like nothing at all on my end. So I don't know. You see what I mean, though? I knew it. If again, Michelle, thank you very much. Thank you, Michelle. I appreciate you. Hopefully, you know that. You know that. Much love, and thank you very much. You guys want to know what Blair is doing, guys? Let me show you a picture. This is a picture that Blair posted in Stock General, guys. Look at all these scans, Stuart. Look at these scans, Michelle. Look at all these scans. I knew Blair was in that little room with all the alcohol in it. I knew it. I knew it. I knew it. You didn't see the picture? Nope. uh, why does it shut that tab down? La, la, la. Good job. Doing is not acceptable for this. What Blair is doing is not acceptable. I don't know why it does that. Interesting. Calling $40. His personal says calling for 40 to $30. Opinion for is a $100 coin eventually. Okay, sounds good. Eventually. Okay. Yeah, we'll see. From when I used to be on stream. Uh, Nope. Well, don't believe you. Anyways, don't forget to smash a like, guys. If you don't forget to smash a like if you haven't already. Hit that subscribe if you're new to the channel. Blah blah blah. And if you have any questions, let me know. Again, we just wanted to kind of come on and take a look at Bitcoin and maybe take a look at a few of these coins as we go into CPI tomorrow. Right? It seems like we're selling off anyways. His best cows. Anyone interested in Mr. Thrust? We go 1 hour up to Blaze. Sounds good, Stewart. I'll join you. What's going to $200? Oh, this coin here. This coin here zero, a zero. I left zero, Tesh. I'll buy one share. No, this coin here, long term is what people are looking at, right? So long term, um, right? I left zero. I mean, this thing again. So we've looked at this thing already in the past. Yes, Stuart has mentioned it. Dee's mentioned this as well, and it's from 70 cents, right? So we've looked at this coin in stream a few times already. From these guys mentioning it, right? And it's gone from what, like 60s and 70 cents, from $1 to 70 and back above, right? So I think this is the highs of Synod, baby, D. Well, $1.40 something, right? So yeah. So that's annoying, isn't it? Any on here? Any names? Any white names on here? No, I don't think so. Otherwise, we will get you tonight. Virus, we will get you. Stuart, look at who it is. Gary. Stuart needs to pull the kilts down lower. No, that's when he's on stream here, Gary. When he goes to the other stream, the other night stream with Virus, yeah, the kilt is the kilt is there's where's my invites for best cams, Michelle? I don't know. I ask Stuart and Virus. How are you, Gary? How are you? A zero is trash. Altcoin degen says a zero is trash. Why is it trash? Like, why is it trash? Altcoin degen. Why do you say a zero is trash? Right? Let us know. Maybe we're missing something. Maybe we right again. So why do you think it's trash? Anyways, while we're waiting for that response, right? Take a look at these crypto bubbles here. It's red on red, red on red. I don't know. I have a private show for you yesterday. Was that not enough? Was that not enough, Michelle? Was that not enough? La 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 la. CPI data tomorrow, Gary. I know. What do you think what do you think? What do you think for that data tomorrow? ETH is just the king. If you don't like high fees, then use a layer two. Um, it's time tested and beats out all the other layer ones, in my opinion. I mean, that's not a good enough reason, though, right? There's still a lot of good projects out there that will outperform ETH, right? So, you know what I mean? Altcoin. I mean, there's some really good projects out there that will outperform. Like, yeah, sure, tried and tested and whatnot, right? So, rude. Rude. I mean, like, again, so you think of a zero already. Like, this thing's up 100% over the last month. It's up 100%, right? Can't say the same thing for ETH. Um, and the multiple, like there are a lot of smaller projects that have, that again that bring, like ETH solves a problem, right? So again, ETH doesn't solve everything, right? There are multiple projects that you can look at that. Oh no, here we go again. See what I mean? We're going towards a multi-chain future with other chains operating a lot faster. Yeah, right. So, um, Blair, I knew it. What are you doing, Michelle? I told you. Like Blair is in a room. Blair is in a room with a lot of cans. And I agree. The value props is higher for those smaller projects. 100%. Yeah, right? So, I mean, like again, so if you're completely, like there's nothing wrong with holding the proven coins, right? That's why people just again, that's why a lot of people will just stick with Bitcoin, right? Because Bitcoin will always be here. Bitcoin has huge backing. Bitcoin has a lot of monies, right? So people just stick with Bitcoin, and there's nothing wrong with it, right? But then there are also projects that you can look at and have some nice returns. Blair, thank you for the super chats. Thank you. But also the danger, yeah, yeah. Oh, for sure. Wait, think. Don't say that, virus. Otherwise, Stuart is gonna start typing one take now. But you, oh, nervous about my wife. I don't know why. Open an app, maybe. Let me see if I can download it here. Uh, see a bird in the clouds. Just downloading on my phone here. Do you guys have the app, the Twitch app, or crypto channels? I follow like 200 YouTubers. You all like top tier. Yeah, appreciate. Let's go Altcoin. Yeah, like we have a community and we just like to kind of have fun and take a look at some of these projects and yeah, that's what it's all about. Like we're going through a process of learning. Like crypto is fairly new to all of us, right? So all kind of learning as we go along, right? So uh, like when under the bridge. No, Gary, it's because we had some issues today, so we're just making sure we're covered on both fronts. You know what I mean? It's covered on both fronts. Community, right? Yeah, we're community, and it was some. Unbelievable, Stuart. No, again, Altcoin DJ, and I've seen you around quite a bit. So thank you very much for the support. Really appreciate that. Yeah. Hey, yeah. Anyways, guys, again, so you can clearly see here that most of these projects are red. Hello, Captain Japan. As we go into CPI data tomorrow, right? So I think people are just nervous. Twitch is just another like form of YouTube, like just a different app, right? So you have to YouTube, Gary. Twitch is just like almost like the same thing, but just a different platform um, that's set up differently, right? So but anyways, yeah. So these projects are mostly red here. We've kind of looked at the daily chart here for Bitcoin, right? And we've talked about how again Bitcoin is still above that level there. It's back above that 22.85, 22.850, right? So again, if I pull up the daily chart here for Bitcoin, but this is gonna change tomorrow morning, right? So again, kind of what I'm expecting here is, again. So for now, right, right, you can see that last little drop. We have a triple top at $24,000. Let's call it 24.4, right? So right, so we're triple topping at $24,000 here, right? Again, top, right? So you can kind of see here, right, this last rally failed and then we sold off to 21.6. Actually, we sold off a lot lower, right? So we broke below the 20, right? And on this case, and right, we broke below the 20 and a massive sell off. And then the next stop here, 24.4. I don't like when like this music has voices around it. But anyways, right? So again, second top, sell up to the 20-day moving average here, right? 20-day moving average here, and then the bounce. So that's kind of what I'm watching here, right? If we break below this 20-day moving average, then obviously we're looking to sell off again to 21.6, right? So that's what I'm looking at here. So again, this candle, this daily candle, has about 22 hours left on it, right? So the next 22 hours, let's see where we are. If we're closing below 22.8, and then we have a problem, right? Because again, that's signaling a sell-off to 21.5, 21.6, right? And then go from there. But if we can hold that moving average and rally again to $24,000, maybe we break out this time. Maybe that's the breakout, right? I don't like how this. I don't like how this like this. I don't like how that has like how that has like. I don't like how that has like voices in it. Jazz. Um, Drops. I'm loading up on ride shares. If you like the company, Tesh, yeah, right. Uh, yeah, right. Ride, Mera, one of those two names, right? Those are the top two ones to look at, Tesh. So absolutely. But anyways, again, so that's Bitcoin on the daily there. Back to smaller time frame here as we watch basically the lack of action, right? And then wait. So I'm gonna leave up these transactions here so we can kind of watch it happen. It's better. No, Michelle, it's actually better. It is. Let's go. Is it working? Like, is it just fixing itself as it goes along, or what? Uh, let's see here. One second. No. Hmm. Using the password. No, 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 no. La, 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 la. Let's see here. Still buffering? Oi, why is it buffering? Leave my damn profile pic alone. Let's make 100 show some support for your culture, Stuart. Why not? Why not? Let me get Gary. Gary, use this. I'm gonna put it in the chat here on YouTube's. Gary on YouTube's here. There you go. On YouTube's Gary. Anyways, YouTube's bonsoir, 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 Dr. Fowler. Bonsoir. But you invited the stream, Michelle. Michelle, it's in the chat. It's in the chat. And watch, you're gonna see Blair pop up, Michelle. You ready for this? This for picture alone, but I couldn't help myself. Waffles. Gary, do you hopefully you have it now. Yeah, we're getting another dipski here for Bitcoin. Like Bitcoin is just waffling in the middle here, right? Not quite sure which way it wants to go before we get some data. Like I do not get a glitch, Michelle. Like I promise. Like on my end, I don't know if I don't know if I can show you this. I don't know why it's not working for you guys. Then like it's not like glitching at all. Like yeah, I don't know. Well, I like how I can watch on like cool, very cool, very very cool. Swampy Gary. Hey yo,
Hey,
Gary.
how you doing, man?
I'm good. How are you?
Doing good.
Good,
Doing
good,
good.
good. How's your Tuesday night?
Fine.
Yeah,
Nothing special.
yeah,
Just, I mean, it's cooling down a little bit, but it's been rugged.
yeah,
It's been rugged.
yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. Oh, can you guys let me see if I can I couldn't hear Gary for a second. I think it's just the music.
Hello. Test
I
one,
can hear
two.
you now. Yeah, I can
All's
hear
good.
you. Yeah, it was good.
Okay, cool.
That's good. What do you think about CPI tomorrow, Gary?
I
I mean,
think
I
we
know
need.
gas prices have
I
gone.
think it comes down.
Yeah, you think so?
Yeah, I do.
Yeah.
Um,
Uh,
God, it's like which way do you look at it? The way I'm kind of looking at things is the data comes down because oil and everything else has come down.
mhm,
And it's kind of the run into the Fed. But
mhm,
now with the job data, now it's more like okay, the job market is unemployment is pretty good on paper.
mhm, mhm,
I mean,
mhm,
to me, it's people returning to work rather than jobs created, but that's a whole
mhm,
nother story.
mhm,
So I'm looking at it as the I think 9.1 was the top, and
mhm,
now maybe it comes down.
mhm,
And then from there, you
mhm.
have like your little rally going into the Fed, but now the Fed's going to have to do 75 again. And people were probably hoping on 50, blah, blah,
Yeah,
blah, yada, yada, kick the can, do this, do
yeah,
that.
yeah,
So that's kind of how I'm looking at it.
yeah, yeah. I agree. I agree. I just hope the reaction is positive, Gary. Or I think there's something to be said about the fact that we're kind of selling off into that data too, right?
Yeah.
Like
Well, that's the game.
exactly,
It's like,
exactly.
okay, let's drop it and then we'll pump it,
Yep, exactly. You know,
It's
but
been the name of the game all year.
yeah, exactly. So hopefully we get a nice sell off tonight, like a nice sell off tonight for crypto, and then pre market tomorrow. Hopefully some of these stocks really sell off to give us a nice discount.
I don't
To
know,
maybe
man. I'm still bummed that I bought that Hong Kong stock at 2,500. I thought it was going to like a zillion. You know,
there's a video for you. Michelle posted the video in one of those channels. There's a video for you. It's a real Gary of like a kid walking down the stairs, but then all of a sudden the kid like fist plants down the stairs and rolls down the stairs. So that's a video when you buy that thing at 2,500 and then it crashes.
unbelievable. Come
Yeah,
on, come
I
on.
know, I know. Like, have you ever seen anything like that? Anything like that,
Well,
Gary?
the fact of the matter is, if you just said, okay, I buy IPOs, before there's any earnings and stuff, I bought it
Mhm.
at 13. You're like, whoa,
Yeah, yeah.
But in reality, if like people were like chasing up, and now what's it at now? Like 250?
I have no idea. I haven't even looked at it the
It's
last
like
two
way
days.
down.
Yeah,
I,
yeah,
I I'm like, no, no, nothing to do with that. But
yeah. Yeah. There's another one, right, Gary? The other
Yeah,
one, Meg
like
L.
$4 up to whatever, or Met L. What it was, something L,
Yeah.
MEGL.
Yeah.
Yeah,
MEGL. Yeah. 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 That thing rallied from like, yeah, from like supposed to IP at
again,
$4.
if you timed it right, I mean, you're living
Yeah.
large. But
Yeah.
if you,
Yeah.
it's not my style.
Yeah. Yeah, Michelle. Gary bought at $2,500 and thought he could fly.
Yeah, that's me. Yep.
Like, I can fly. I believe I can fly.
Like,
Nope. That thing was too heavy at twenty five hundred
so,
dollars.
are they going to do like a special dividend on that where you get,
Just like AMC and VVIG and
yeah,
Torch. Just like AMC, a dividend. Um, ooh, we have a super chat, but then I kind of want to get your idea of like, like the AMC dividend. But Blair, much love. Alone chats. Don't let me be the only one. Blair, thank you very much. You are the
Blair's a
only
good
one that
man.
wasted. You're the only one that's wasted, Blair. Too many cans. Have you seen Gary? Have you seen Blair's picture of him like all
Yeah,
the
no, I
cans?
saw it when I first stopped on.
Yeah,
Yeah.
too many cans. Blair, thank you very much for the super chat. Thank you.
Do they have,
Really appreciate
Blair, do
that.
you have like nickel refunds in Louisiana?
Nickel refunds. um, but yeah, no, Gary. What do you think of like the AMC little dividend they're doing?
I think it's a future of dilution, you know.
Yep.
I think they're going to dilute it.
Yeah.
I mean, it's cool. I was blown away that, like the whole 22
Hmm.
level when it got there and it's
Hmm.
kind of holding. I hope some people have been able to do well with it. I'm not a bear on it, man. I own some,
Hmm.
but believe it or not, I think my last is like $17 maybe where I was. I took a little off the table. I'm like,
Hmm. Hmm.
nah, nah,
Yeah.
I'm just kind of done with it. Been done with
Yeah.
it for a while.
Yeah.
Just kind of, from like when they had the conference call and everything. It's a
Hmm.
no-brainer. I mean, the movies this summer have blown up. You knew it was going to happen, reopening and so on and so forth. But I
Hmm.
mean, what is the next big blockbuster? You know, people do like streaming.
Yeah.
What is the next big blockbuster and what is the next big push for that
Hmm.
company? Did
Hmm.
they strike gold? The gold
Yeah.
mine.
I don't know.
I
I don't know.
again, we all we've all done it, but it's like it's not a matter of being negative on it because the ape community can be strong, but
Hmm.
that's what it is.
Hmm.
And like long ago when it went up to 70 or whatever, I think that was a squeeze.
Yeah.
That was it.
Yeah. Yeah. Honestly, Gary, yeah, maybe.
No, I know. I
Probably.
mean, it's a tough situation. If you're bearish on it, people are going to roast you, and then if you're too bullish on it, they're going to be like, "Are you an idiot?"
Yeah.
So I mean,
Yeah.
do what you want to do. When it
Yeah.
like the last we left it off when the conference call was going on, I
Yeah.
said, "I don't know. I
Yeah.
don't know."
Yeah.
Hi, Malco.
Hey yo, Marco.
You know what I'm saying? I mean, it
Yeah.
could do whatever it's going to do.
Hmm.
It's
Exactly.
it's got a backing.
Yeah.
But from a personal level, or just looking at stuff, and I'm like, the whole whatever share, they could do
Yeah.
with it.
Yeah. Yeah. I mean, I watched a little interview of like, of Adam Aaron talking. He was on like Yahoo Finance or something. I don't know. I can send you that video later. But in the span of like 2 minutes, this is like a 20-minute interview. In the span of 2 minutes, I cannot tell you the amount of times he says like raising money, raising money, raising money, raising money. Like that's clearly what he wants to do with this whole thing. So that's just a red flag, red flag
Hmm.
there. Hopefully there's a rally before he does that. To kind of
Well,
get people
no,
out
it,
of it.
it just had one, man. It
Yeah,
just had one.
yeah,
When it pumped up to what? Close to
yeah,
30, was it? I don't even
yeah,
know. 27,
yeah,
28.
yeah. I don't know.
No, I was surprised.
Yeah,
I was like, wow, good. Hopefully if some are in the threshold, they can maybe
yeah,
trim a bit and
Yeah.
do whatever.
Yeah. Exactly.
Because everything is like macro this year,
Hmm.
where I mean, now it's all CPI. It's
Hmm.
it's such a joke.
Hmm.
It's such a joke this year.
Yeah.
But if you've bought some credible on these pullbacks like
Yeah.
June or whatever, your AMC or even Amazon going into the
Yeah.
split,
It's
Nvidia
good.
now they're like, oh, chips, oh, chips.
Yeah.
Nvidia is a great company.
Yeah.
You know,
Exactly.
so if you
Yeah.
can go long on it, man,
Yeah. Yeah.
they're good
Yeah.
companies.
Yeah. Yeah. I don't know. We'll see how the rest of the week plays out, and then go from there.
True. But what if I told you from way back? I'm like, you're the man for it.
Let's go.
You're the man.
We volatility, Gary.
I'm a
Volatility.
bull. I'm a bull at heart.
Yeah.
But it's one of those where you've got to look at the big picture and say, you know
Yeah.
what, man?
Yeah.
Sometimes there's a time to be a bear.
Yeah. 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 Gary does. Yeah. Gary is. Gary is. I'm telling you, Doge AMC warrior. Yeah. Says, what's up? Returning customers here. Changed my name. Was Andrew S.
No, I
Andrew.
appreciate it, man. I just try to keep it real, and I've been roasted at times. If I'm wrong, I'm wrong. I'll be the first to say I'm wrong.
No, exactly. Exactly. We need the thick, unbelievable. Gary's not up for the for that. Gary will run away. Um,
Nah,
yeah, and I know too.
nah,
The
just
last,
busy, man. Just busy.
yeah, yeah.
You know.
Like the prices of. I know we have data coming out tomorrow, but like you notice the price of like some of the things you work with going down or no? Like I know the price of like gas is going down, the oil a little bit lower, right? Like all these things are so that might affect the number tomorrow. So you think again CPI might go down tomorrow, but like um
I think it comes down.
yeah,
It's not going to be 9-1, but I mean, if it's like, what if it were 8-9? Is that going to
mhm.
appease Wall Street? They're going to be
Yeah,
like, nope,
exactly.
nope, nope, not enough. Let's short,
Not enough.
let's short.
Not enough.
But I mean, if it's like 8-5 or whatever, your SPY is going to go to over 420.
Yeah,
In upcoming. And then they're
yeah,
going to be like, oh no, the Fed's coming again. Oh, time to short.
yeah, yeah,
I mean,
yeah,
it's just the
yeah,
game.
exactly. Let's go, Tesh. Tesh is on Twitch. Is it glitching for you, Tesh? Let me know if it's glitching, and let me know.
It's like,
So,
you hear so much waffling back and forth. It's like, are we in a
mhm,
recession?
mhm,
Technically, yes. Two
mhm.
down quarters of
Yeah,
GDP, that's technically a recession. Now,
yeah,
has it ultimately hit?
yeah,
Um, I don't know. You tell me.
yeah.
I mean, they're the experts. I mean, what do you want to cook the books on? What do you want to talk about? Go in the store. Are your prices coming down? If
Yeah.
you went on Amazon like a few months ago, it's like you
Mhm.
couldn't get a deal. Now you go on there and it's like, oh, this is down, this is down. You go into Walmart, it's like
Mhm.
rollbacks and this and that. It's like,
Mhm.
okay, yeah. Are people buying cars? Are people buying this? It's all
Yeah.
stuff we talked about.
Yep.
You know, Open
Yep.
your eyes, look around, look at your
Yeah.
market. What is going on? What are people buying? What are people cutting back on? You
Yeah.
know.
Yeah. No, exactly.
Now, like gas comes down, helps reopening. Look
Yeah.
around, just turn on a video, look at Times Square, look at, any place. Places are booming.
Hmm.
Now it's like the labor market. It's like, okay, Google's laying people off, Facebook's, but these are guys that hung out at a water cooler, or worked from home. Now it's like all these restaurants, they need help, they need this and that. So of course, the
Yeah.
market is shifting to what's actually
Yeah.
needed, you know?
Hmm. Yeah. Gary says these are guys that hung around the water cooler.
Well, they are. It's
Yep.
like, so these big companies that had all this bloated help, they're
Yep.
like, do we need you? No, sorry, gone.
Yep. That's really funny, Gary. That's really funny. Next time a company like Amazon does that, I'm just gonna say that stream. Like, don't worry, guys. These are just people that hung around the water cooler.
I'm not trying to be mean, but I mean it's
No, no,
reality.
no, no. Yeah. That's really funny. I've never heard anything like that. I didn't even think about it that way either. Um,
Well, think about it. Remote work came in. You've got a big office building. You're paying money on it.
Yeah,
Are you going to pay for these guys?
yeah, that's
No,
true.
no.
Yeah,
It's like, okay, we have remote work. We've got
hmm,
that in place.
yeah,
Do I really need this on my payroll?
yeah,
You're
exactly.
gone. But
Yeah,
then you have restaurants saying, dude, we've got to keep up on wages to keep up
yeah,
with it, or grocery stores or whatever, dock
yeah,
workers, this and that. Those
yeah,
wages are going up. That
yeah,
also goes into inflation,
yeah,
you know?
yeah. Gary, I love when Gary comes on, like just the, just so I can sit back and listen and like, the knowledge. Come
No,
on.
it's not. It's just from
Yeah,
working, and observation,
yeah,
like when
yeah.
we went, it's transitory. Okay. Have you seen prices? Do you get out of your house,
Yeah, exactly. Look at Bitcoin sell up there, Gary. Wow, that's some nice boom boom candles to the downside, and this is most likely the trend we take all night. Jason, are you short? Right. This is the this is the direction we take all night for Bitcoin here potentially, and then maybe a rally tomorrow.
Never know.
Scary rally
If the
tomorrow.
data comes in fine, I mean, it's going to go boom boom.
Yeah,
You'll
exactly.
be thrust in a lot tomorrow.
Thrusting a lot.
Yeah. Just not with that dude walking down the street or whatever that is,
Yo, that's don't worry, that's Stuart's favorite video now. He's always asking to the bridge, Stash, to the bridge.
Another one like Blair. Blair will tell you on supply demands,
Yeah,
cost increase and stuff like that. I mean,
yeah,
he lives it, he works it,
yeah,
finding
yeah,
help, finding good help.
yeah.
And I think like some businesses now may hold on to good help,
Hmm,
just because you don't know what's walking through the door.
hmm. Yeah, exactly, exactly. I don't know. I did not know.
Yeah.
Yeah,
You're
we'll
the man
see.
for the job.
Yeah, Gary, we'll find out tomorrow. I almost feel like, for some of these coins that are crashing like this, almost feel like taking a little long leverage position tomorrow morning before CPI data comes out. Just a
Like going
gamble,
long.
like a
Yeah.
long
That
position.
was my feeling. I did one put just for
Mhm.
Friday,
Yeah.
and then I went long, like call,
Okay.
going
Okay.
into I think the 19th.
Okay.
A
Okay.
10-day window.
Okay.
Should data come out nice,
Yeah.
call should print.
Okay. That's a really good idea. Yeah.
You know,
Yeah. Yeah. That's a really good idea. Yeah.
but like
Uh,
long-term holds. If you get a pullback on some of the good companies, it's like now
mhm.
Tesla what got down to what eight
Yeah.
fifties.
Yeah. Yeah.
They're doing their, of course, they're doing their split. So, you're going to have a rally down the road depending on
Yeah.
the market. It's
Yeah.
like Amazon, no
Yeah.
brainer.
Yeah.
I mean, they're gobbling. They're gobbling.
Yeah.
The big boys buy up the guppies.
Yeah. Do. Yeah. What about price of services? Price of services. Price of services. Roger, what do you mean? Like price of services?
Anywhere you go, look at a restaurant. I mean, the menu hasn't gotten cheaper. Food and rents, right, Blaze? Food and
Yeah.
rents.
Yep. What's I know what's their name again? Chipotle beat earnings because they just hiked the prices all the way to the moon, and
Hello,
they beat
Maddie.
it. Yeah.
Hello, everyone.
Maddie, heyo. What is going down too? Nope. Um, you got money at the side. See what happens tomorrow, Tash. Yeah, absolutely, right. So, yeah, got money on the side. See what
That's
happens.
smart. No, it's smart. Smart.
Yeah,
Very
yeah,
smart.
yeah,
You
yeah,
know,
yeah. Yeah, yeah. Maddie says, "Is this a crypto only stream? Can I ask a stock question, Maddie? You're funny. You can ask a stock question if you want. Absolutely.
it's
So
nighttime. You never know. We can talk menus too, right?
yeah, then use anything, avocados to stocks, crypto, and then back to
Avocados came down in price, by the way.
they did.
Yeah. No, I
Oh
bought a
lord.
few.
Oh wow. Okay.
Yeah, no,
Let's
they're
go.
coming down.
Let's go. Let's go. It's boring here. Let me jump back on YouTube. It's not glitching. It's working perfect. Okay, perfect. Amazing, amazing. Michelle, is it? Let me know if it's working for you now. And D, yeah, let me know if it's working for you now on Twitch. But anyways, yeah, come back. But yeah, Maddie, let us know what your question is about stonks. We all. You are best to kind of answer. Gary has the answers for you. Don't worry.
I don't have the answers, man.
Of the
I don't.
answers. Yeah.
I wish I did. You know?
um, Stock market could fall tomorrow with inflation. In theory, August is a busy time for the year. People spending money. Bear market coming once the trap is set. Be warned. Bear market coming once
I don't know if I
or
agree with that.
bear market coming. Yeah,
I don't think I agree with that.
no, okay.
No, no,
I
no,
mean,
not in a bad way. I mean, I
yeah,
understand
okay.
the
Mhm,
concept, like the trap, like if the data comes out well, we
mhm,
pump going into the Fed,
mhm,
and then of course, are they going to rug pull, after the
mhm,
75 because, stuff like that. I understand, in some ways that concept.
mhm.
If we get like bad data tomorrow,
Yeah,
save a spot for me under the bridge.
yeah. Yeah, Gary. I mean, if it's negative tomorrow, I feel like we're just gonna absolutely like sell off.
Oh, they're
I mean, like,
they're going for broke, man. We're going down to
yeah,
390. Who knows
yeah.
what?
I mean,
I'm
that
not
would.
talking in one
Mhm,
day, but
mhm, exactly, exactly.
you know,
Exactly. I mean, that would make a lot of sense, though, right? If I pull up the S&P here, and that's not a surprise, really. Like if I pull up SPY on the daily here, this is a level that we talked about so much already, right? I mean,
416
that's
has been big.
yeah, exactly, right? I mean, look at that 416 level, Gary, that we talked about, right? We talked about this level here last time because we consolidated there for 10 days and then eventually crashed. I mean, that's when that big crash happened, 416. The next few days, I mean, we went to the bridge.
Where'd it go?
Like
What are you looking at? What's that level there?
So this is for this
That
so
low, right?
this is 416, right, all the way down to 350, right, 360.
Three, 360.
Yeah, 360.
I'm thinking we go down to maybe 390.
Yeah,
You know,
no, no. Again, like what I mean is it would make a lot of sense because you take a look at the left hand side. We filled over there at 416. You take a look at the right hand side here now. That's the same double top resistance, right? So if we
hmm
can back up from there to 390, that makes a whole lot of sense.
well,
And that's
three,
because
before the Fed. I mean,
Mhm,
it's going way, way, way down there.
mhm,
No.
mhm,
So my thing is like if it's a failure,
mhm.
I would be looking around 390. But
Yeah,
if it's positive, I think we could run into the 420s,
420s. Yeah.
you know?
Hmm.
Not like in one day, but I'm talking momentum, you know, because
Hmm.
they all know the Fed's on deck.
Hmm.
So you could have a rally going there with the right data.
Yeah. 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 And then Maddie D is asking for IMPP, Imperial Petroleum. Yeah.
Petroleum. Okay. Just not jelly, right?
Maddie's asking, is there any hope? Because he bought at 62 cents. So you're basically down. It's currently at 37 cents. Yeah. I mean, it's it. This is by the way, this is Michelle's. This is the very beginning. That's funny. I like how TradingView does this now. They tell you this is the very beginning. This is the very beginning. You've made your way through all the available data. We hope that it was useful. Can you see that, Gary?
Yeah.
This is the very beginning. This is
No, it's
IPO.
cool. I mean, you guys are awesome. You're good,
That's
but
cool.
then this is your jam, you know?
Yeah. Um, um,
Like as I said, it's like a blend of
yeah,
ideas and stuff. Where I'm
yeah,
more macro, where
yeah,
you're technical. You know,
yeah. Monies. Monies. I mean, like, hope. I mean, the hope would have been here that we stayed above 40 cents and kind of hold a double bottom here, Maddie, because now this is a problem, right? Like, obviously, this thing's been trending down here after hitting 50. This thing hit resistance at 50, 60 cents, and it's just been trading lower and lower. It seems like every day is a lower high and a lower low, right? So it's just been an absolute disaster here for this thing, which is really annoying. Yeah, this is a tough one. Because I mean, again, so we're about to hit 52-week lows here now. We're sitting on all-time lows for this stock, like all-time lows. When the stock goes to all-time lows, you're like, well, I mean, where's support? I don't know. Like, what do you do with this now? I don't know. You're hoping that it can bounce somewhere, right? But there's
Like,
not a whole lot
you know
we.
what's wonky about some of them?
Mhm,
Like when they get to like an idiotic level,
mhm,
you look at some of the junk lately.
mhm,
Like, what if you just picked up some scraps on some of these small caps and stuff like that? They've
mhm.
ran like 30, 40,
Oh
50%
yeah.
recently.
Oh yeah.
It's how long if you want to hold it for one day, you're annoyed. Or you
Yeah.
got it, you want to hold it for a week, you're annoyed.
Mhm.
But like a lot of this junk recently, has pumped like 30,
Yeah.
40%, you
Yep.
know?
Yeah. No, I know. Yeah. I mean, I hope like it's one of those names, right, that will like randomly pump for no reason, right? So I hope it does rally. Um, I hope it goes for you,
Look at
right? So
BlackBerry,
yeah. What about BlackBerry,
Bed
Gary?
Bath and Beyond, even friggin' Fubo, whatever.
Yeah. Yeah.
I mean, a lot of this junk has just, they've been going wild lately.
Yeah. Yeah. I know. Yeah. I mean,
So you
and
never
that's
know. You never
yeah,
know, man.
exactly. Yeah. Yeah. And that's the thing too, like Gary, when the market, like when the market's bullish, when things start rallying, like the S&P starts rallying, some of these stocks will just start, to perform, right? Like
Because
all
they're
these
down
big
so
stocks.
much. So I mean, if you're
Exactly.
down like, you know, is like long-term thinking, if a
Hmm.
stock is down like 80% and a stock
Hmm.
like Apple for the year is down 2%,
Hmm.
obviously, I'm just throwing, these are fictional numbers.
Hmm.
Obviously, Apple is pretty good,
Hmm.
or like Microsoft is pretty good,
Hmm.
but like look at PayPal.
Hmm.
And sometimes things get too cheap, and then if there's any sort of positive, it's like all of a
Hmm.
sudden
Hmm.
AMD.
Hmm.
You know,
Yeah.
I mean, they're good, credible companies, and they're just gaming, man.
Yeah.
The games are
Yeah. That's just
annoying,
not.
annoying.
Yeah, exactly. After Halloween or Thanksgiving, possible market crash? I think so. I think so too. I
Do
think
you
again. I
really?
think like after elections, Gary,
Yeah,
like
well,
after the election.
Halloween's the 31st, so I mean, November is the election, so it would have
Yeah,
to be after November.
yeah. After the elections, like if we're getting a nice rally, right? If we're getting a nice
But
rally into.
then it's like, what will the big media be? Oh, we're going to have a Santa Claus rally this year. Blah blah blah. It's
Yeah. Oh yeah, yeah. Always
you
Santa
know
Claus rally.
same old crap.
Yeah. No, to me, it just depends what's happening into elections. If
Yeah,
we're getting a
yeah.
nice rally into elections, and then okay, we can get a. But if we're not getting that, then I think the media would pump that narrative, right? Like, oh, no rally yet. Okay, we get a Santa Claus rally or whatever.
Well, it's now, of course, on the back burner. It's like, well, now Taiwan.
Yeah.
It's
Yeah.
there's always something.
Yeah. Exactly.
If a
Falling gas
company's making
prices.
money, be
Hmm.
confident.
Yeah. Exactly. Behind forecast for lower CPI, which is expected to dip to a headline pace of 8.7 year over year in June. Yeah, I mean that's kind of what Gary's been like Queen, right? Queen G. That's kind of what Gary's been talking about tonight, right? The fact that okay, like that's the forecast. Maybe it dips to 8.7, but like what's the media okay with, right? Like what are these market makers okay with? Like is 8.7 enough to rally the market? Probably.
I think it's
Um,
okay. And
yeah.
I think they want to.
Mhm,
Maybe it's a setup going into the Fed. Like,
mhm,
okay, we'll rally, and then
mhm.
the
Yeah,
jam.
yeah, exactly. So, again, I do again. So Queen, right? Like I do like that was selling off into that data at least, right? I know Rogers mentioned that there's more data on Thursday and Friday, but tomorrow is big though, right? So, again, I do like that was selling off into that data, right? We're not just pumping like crazy people into that, right? There's a better chance of like rallying after a sell off, right? So,
Hmm. Hmm.
yeah, we'll see what happens tomorrow.
Yeah.
Um, yeah, yeah, yeah.
So they're
And then
saying 8.7, huh?
yeah, 8.7.
Sounds good. No, that sounds solid. You know,
Yeah, yeah. Hey, Roger, yeah. Elon Musk offloads nearly 7 billion in Tesla stock. Yeah, I saw that. It's in Discord. Just in Elon Musk sold 4.3 billion of shares in Tesla, according to to filings Tuesday. The first time he is sold stock in the car maker since dropping his bid to buy Twitter. So Gary, what happens tomorrow for Tesla? To the abyss we go for
If it
Twitter.
does, I'll add.
Tesla.
Pre-split, damn right.
Yeah.
I mean
Yep.
they're an ETF.
Yeah.
It's not like it's one company.
Yeah.
I mean, if anything ever sorts out with chips and all this
Mhm.
crap, I mean,
Mhm.
the demand is there. As long
Yeah.
as there's demand,
Yeah.
it's good.
Yeah. Exactly. Exactly. Brian Michaels, thank you very much for the super sticker. Really appreciate that. Thank you. Let's go. And thrust.
Thanks, Brian.
Let's go.
Yeah.
Uh, yeah, Queen. Yeah, Queen G. Come join us in Discord. By the way, come join us in Discords. If you're not a member
Hello to
yet, guys,
Stacy too.
Stacy.
Hello to everyone.
Hey yo. Hi guys. Hopefully having a good evening. We're just kind of watching crypto tonight, but again, crypto doesn't. It's not just crypto, right? This ties into the stock market tomorrow and CPI. So we're just kind of talking about that, and it's wonderful to have Gary come on and talk about that stuff.
It's
I
always
like it.
fun. I enjoy it.
Yeah, I like it. I like it. Long time.
What I like is everyone tosses ideas. I'm
Yeah.
not an oracle by any
Mhm.
means. I don't have the crystal ball. You know,
Exactly.
but
Exactly.
if someone someone may wake me up and give me a different thought process and be like, that makes sense.
Exactly.
That's the whole
Exactly.
deal.
Exactly. Exactly. Let's see. I'm just checking Twitch, Gary.
I don't know what it. I
Gary,
thought it was some sort of Tinder thing. I don't know.
Tinder thing? No, it's like it's a yeah, just a different like streaming platform.
I know.
Yeah, just a
Yeah,
different. Yeah, is that's all you're gonna say, Tesh? Yeah, guys. Yeah, you're welcome. Yeah, thank you very much. Long time. I know, Brian. It's been a while. Yeah, guys. Again, so don't forget to smash a like if you haven't already. Hit that subscribe if you're new, and if you're not a member yet, the membership link is at the bottom there from Nightbot. So click that link, come join us in Discord, and let's make some more monies tomorrow. So I did a little poll in Discord too earlier today, and I mean like almost like majority of the people that responded are thinking that the market is going to rally to well, push up tomorrow after that data, right? Whether we
I
sell off
do.
after that, but yeah. So
Yeah.
and
No, I haven't been on Discord, but
yeah,
yeah. No, that's kind of my sentiment. You
yeah,
know,
yeah,
but who knows?
yeah, exactly.
But that 8.7 sounded pretty solid.
8.7, yeah.
Yeah,
8.7,
8.5 would be nice.
yeah. I mean that would be yeah.
That'd be awesome. 8.1
Yeah.
would be beautiful.
Yeah. People would celebrate. I mean, the market would thrust like, "Oh my goodness! Oh my
Do you think Tesla would
goodness!"
split? The
Yeah,
Tesla, a split like that is always positive, Brian.
yeah,
Any big company that does like Google,
hmm,
Amazon,
yep,
Tesla, when they do splits like that, that's always a positive.
yeah, yeah. Tesla. You never know. I know. Yeah. I mean, again, like we've talked about like this, never knowing so much, because I mean, like we've seen companies report earnings and beat and crash. I mean, we know guidance is important. We've seen companies miss earnings and pump, right? So like you just never know what the market,
I've seen them
perceives
miss
as.
with guidance recently and pump.
Yeah, exactly,
Like it depends
exactly.
what they are. If they're actually a beast,
Yeah, yeah, exactly.
like I saw something. I was watching like Rivian.
Hmm.
Like they've actually got the Amazon vans going in test areas.
Yeah,
You know,
yeah,
I mean that's positive.
yeah. I
Like
like
your
those.
Walmart. I
Yeah.
mean they're a big company. If you could get, it depends what your expectations are for gains. If you want to weather
Hmm.
the storm or play the
Hmm.
games,
Hmm.
a company like that. I mean, come on, they're not
Yeah,
going anywhere.
exactly, exactly. Um, Stacy, by the way, BlackRock, by the way, reduced their AMC shares sold. Their AMC shares sold of holdings. Okay. Yeah, I mean, I would do the same. I would do the same.
You don't want
Um,
the dividend, or the you don't want to ape.
uh, I mean, like the hope for AMC, like for most people, is that this thing can hold up, so you can, into the 15, so you can get your dividend, and then and sell your shares and still get your dividend, right? That would be amazing if you could do that. If it held these
But you've been
gains,
calling what 22, right?
yeah,
22 is your level.
yeah. In terms of like, for AMC, like to hold, or like for
No,
entry.
like 22 bucks right now to hold. I mean,
Hmm.
put your little chart there going. I
For
mean,
AMC,
yeah,
AMC's.
22's kind of been the level.
Yeah, it has been. See if I can pull it up here. Yeah, no, Bitcoin is going for a little bit of a rally there. AMC's,
That's
like if I
because
pull
Blair bought.
it, yeah, like I mean, this is the hourly, right? And it's been holding above that 22 really nicely here. So, yeah. I mean, it's gonna change tomorrow. Whatever happens with the S&P,
Well,
it's
if the
gonna
right
change.
data comes out, I mean, it could go for
Yeah,
another run up. You
yeah,
know.
$25, right? So,
Yeah.
yeah. um, yeah, Roger. Yeah, I just I exactly, Roger. I just wish like he would be more, because that like there are people that clearly like like that are big fans of his, right? So I wish he would just be. I mean, you can't still, but I wish he would be like just be honest with the process that he's following there, because I mean like yeah, I mean it works well for the company, but like I mean people should yeah, be careful, be careful, be careful. All of those white names. I know, right? All of those names, Virus.
How many of them?
Sell before the dividend if you are holding AMC, drops below 20, sell. Could still 20, 26, 20, 33. Yeah.
No, I
Right.
agree.
So,
Yeah.
yeah.
No, it's possible.
Yeah. Yeah.
If the right data comes out, I mean, I think the market could have a
Yeah.
nice little rally. I mean, if
Exactly.
like if the CPI data is like way low,
Hmm.
I think we could have a nice run.
Yeah. Would be super, super exciting. Exciting. So exciting. But yeah, anyways, um, my eyes are hurting.
Yeah.
All the names. Hey, yo, Lali, hi. Hi, hi, hi. Walmart got hammered. Yeah, I thought Walmart had some negative news or something. Gary, I can't remember now.
And different layoffs and this and that. But I mean, I'm
Oh,
I'm just talking company wide.
mm-hmm,
You know,
mm-hmm.
like it's one of those that they're not going away.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Sticky. It's gonna be here for years. Yeah. I think people just want a little bit of an improvement, Roger, to pump the market for.
It is, but I mean, we're still nowhere near
Mhm,
um, like inflation from when I was a kid, man.
mhm.
You want to talk about inflation? This is a joke what we have going on right now. You know, this is just. I mean, you think this is like rugged?
What?
I mean, they're living the
14%
dream, man.
interest.
Interest
14.
rates right now are nothing,
Yeah.
compared to what they were.
Yeah.
In a bank, I mean, would you buy stocks if you were getting like 15 to 20% in a bank?
Unbelievable.
No,
Yeah.
you
No.
know. So
Yeah.
like they want to bring it back down to two,
Yeah.
and what are
Yeah.
we at? What are we even at now? Like
Yeah.
three, four
Yeah.
percent
Yeah.
with a strong job market.
Yeah.
To me, that kind of makes me question some things. Like like as much as Powell goes on with this and that, and you can cook the books here and there, you still have a strong job market.
Yeah.
Like a depression or whatever, there are no jobs.
Yeah.
Now, anyone could go out and get a job if they want right now. You may not make bank, but it's not like there's none available.
Yeah.
That's a strong recession
Yeah.
when there's like no jobs.
Yeah. I don't know.
Again,
Uh,
yeah. How's
yeah.
how's Canada?
Canada
How's the job
is.
market?
I have no idea. I have no idea, Gary. Like we spend all day on here, like talking about
Yeah, but
like.
in general, man, do you pick up a newspaper or
Never, like never, Gary. Like I know nothing about
So you're
Canada. Like
smart. You're technicals, and it's like whatever.
yeah, yeah.
No,
Like
I get it. I get it.
yeah,
It's smart. You know.
yeah. And it's not like I don't want to know. It's just like we spend so much time on here talking about like the U.S. economy and the market.
Hmm.
Like when I hop off, it's okay. When can I take a nap? Like and then eat, and then not anything else. But yeah,
Smart.
yeah,
Go along, or do your technicals and call it
yeah,
a day. You
yeah,
know. Yeah.
yeah, yeah. Stacy, oh yeah, imagine. Yeah, crazy, crazy. But that's a lot of money, though.
Soccer's
Need a
starting. You must be
oh yeah,
excited.
oh yeah. Yeah, it's exciting.
Yeah.
I was watching a lot of soccer over the week. Well, some soccer over the weekend, and Chelsea needs to do better. Manchester City look dangerous. Liverpool they need to wake up. No, Roger, I'm not. Um, right? Yeah, no, soccer's back, and then before you know it, we're back into the World Cup. So
Yeah. They'll be fun.
yeah, no, we'll see. It's nice to have that on the weekends now. Actually, you know, some football. Did West Ham win? No, Tesh. They did not win. City won. City's a beast of a team. An absolute animal with Holland. Have you seen Holland play, Gary?
No, not
Oh,
recently. No.
okay, okay. Are you watching football? Or you just no, Gary?
I know the Giants got into a scuffle during training camp.
Oh, okay.
I'm talking American football.
Oh yeah. Yep. Hey Gary, do you guys watch football?
No, I do. I like soccer. When it gets
Yeah,
going, but now it's baseball season.
yeah. Baseball. I knew you were watching baseball. Brian says, my son made a varsity in travel for football this year. That's amazing, Brian. Wow, congrats.
Good
That's
job.
amazing. Yeah, that's
Very
that's
nice.
amazing. Yeah, varsity. Class one travel. Class
Not
one
NFL,
travel.
proper football. That is.
That's hand egg, Gary. Hand egg. Get the egg, and you run with the egg, and you go. Proper football, Maddie. Proper football. Maddie knows because Maddie's in the UK. Maddie's in England.
Oh,
So
is that
Maddie
right?
knows. Yeah.
What part? Oh,
Uh,
well, I don't want to. I don't want them to get stalked, but of
no, no,
course,
that's
my
okay.
relatives are there.
And then Tej is also from England. I think Tej lives around West Ham.
West Ham, they're rugged, man.
Yeah,
No, I'm telling like a fan base. If you look at like
yeah,
the old school hooligans and stuff, West Ham
uh-huh.
was
Yeah,
they were like no joke.
yeah, yeah. Dogecoin, future cryptocurrency of the world. Ask Elon Musk. Yeah, I mean, I bet you Elon has a plan for that. I don't know what the plan is though. I'm not gonna question Elon's
Yeah,
plans.
true, Matty.
Yeah, Yanks. So
Gary
yeah,
Bale, I remember him. Yeah,
over there. Yeah,
Gareth.
he calls them the Yankees, the Yanks. What?
Oh, you don't think I've never heard that? You yank? I mean, come on.
That's what it is.
Yeah,
Wow.
yeah. No, we're known
Wow.
as Yanks.
Yanks. You Americans are called Yanks. That's funny. The Yanks are getting pretty good at football. Gary Bill, yeah, but Gary Bill wasn't even getting like any playtime anywhere though, Maddie. But no, I agree with you. Like they're getting really good. The MLS is getting really good. Well, at least improved.
Well, that was from what, Beckham?
Yep. In the market to buy, we can only buy if someone sells their WE. It may cause ape to squeeze. Bonnie, yeah, we'll see. We'll see how that whole thing plays out. I've seen I've seen a few people talk about like shorting AMC and then going long ape coin. So I don't know. I don't know. Don't go that says put all the credit cards away. Put the credit card away. Yeah, Tesh, stay home, please. Stay in the stay home. Please and thank you. Anyways, yeah, Bitcoin is going for a little rally here. Bitcoin is just range bound, guys. Nothing's happening here tonight for Bitcoin. It's just range bound. Like it's up and it's down. Like you take a look at the actual chart. It's going to do this all night potentially, or maybe sell off as we go into the Fed meeting tomorrow, right? So I really don't expect anything to happen
No
tonight.
Fed,
'Cause-
CPI.
yeah, yeah, exactly. Right. Yeah, nothing
See, that's
happens.
that's another positive. Like this month with no Fed meeting, you know,
Yeah,
it's like they could spew the data tomorrow, and it's not like he can be lurking and
yeah,
roast
yeah,
coming up. It's like you've got
yeah,
time.
yeah. Can they have an emergency meeting though?
Good question. You know,
Yeah, I don't know.
I don't think it's going to be enough that you would have to worry
No,
about that.
no, I don't think so either. I don't think so. I don't think it's enough
I think
enough
the data will be
bearishness.
better. You know,
Yeah, I mean, it has to be pretty bad. But then to say, you know what, vacation over, we
could you
go back to the
imagine what?
office.
Could you imagine the fact if it were like 9.2 tomorrow?
Yep. I mean, like we would go to the abyss like right away, 2 seconds.
Oh my gosh!
Imagine, Gary. Imagine.
Holy smokes!
To the bridge right away. No jokes. No, I hope that doesn't happen.
Nah,
We need to,
I'm pretty confident we'll be okay.
yeah, we need to keep going. Need to keep going to the upside, please and thank you. Bitcoin is almost back to 29, 22.9 here. Look at that thing go. Look at BTC go there, right? So getting some nice buy orders here. Look at these. I mean, like I'm always
That is
impressed by these buy
that is
orders.
always that always blows my mind watching
I know,
that.
right?
That
Yeah,
is so much money.
yeah. That's a lot of monies. BTC transactions.
Unbelievable.
Yeah.
Someone else, whether they're like laundering or whatever. It's like,
Yep.
think about it. I mean, that's a lot of money on each little tick right
Yep. I know.
there.
I know.
656K.
Yep.
It's
Yep.
like,
Yep.
wow.
Yep.
Much Bitcoin and
Yep.
Tesla. Usually Tesla hits 1,300, then market tanks.
Well,
If it went back to that, people would be super happy.
mhm, that's a long ways off.
Yeah.
So
That had a heck of a run,
I
from think
did.
about from 600 to
Yeah.
900s.
After a split too, you know?
Well, maybe they're trying to drop it a bit down a bit more before the split, and then they
Mhm.
take off again.
Yeah. Yeah. I don't know.
It's the
No,
beast.
Tesla.
That's
Yeah.
a tough one. I
Yeah.
mean, now it's not like we've been talking for a day or two, just
Mhm.
over what the year or whatever plus year or two.
Yeah.
You know,
Yeah.
that's a tough one.
Yeah, it is.
You can get caught. You can get
Yeah.
caught bad in Tesla.
Yep.
Right
Yep.
side, you're living the dream, but I mean,
Oh,
if you're on
especially
the
if you're
wrong side,
holding.
that thing will roast you.
Yeah. Especially if you're holding some of these, like some of these calls, these big money calls with Tesla. I mean, they move up quickly or down quickly.
Oh my gosh. It's
They
like, how
catch up.
about like when the SPY really starts going parabolic?
Yep.
You're looking like a call, and I mean, those digits are running like so fast. It's
Yep.
like, say you bought something and say it was like 50 cents or whatever, 50
Mhm.
bucks.
Yeah.
And then you're seeing it clicking, and it's like 50, 60, 70, 80, 100, 125, 150, and then it's coming
Yep.
down, down. And then, I mean, it
Yep.
just goes wild, you
Yep.
know?
Yep. Yep. Look at that, Gary. $1.1 million.
Chump change.
You just yeah.
Yeah.
Let's go. Hey yo, Carlos.
How you
Hey,
doing,
how you
Carlos?
doing? And I drop in to drop a like and say hi. Hi, Carlos.
Hello, hello.
Hello, hello. Now, Carlos, we're just just hanging and talking about rubbish while we wait for tomorrow. Tomorrow. Yeah, yeah. And then
See,
what else is happening this week, Roger? I don't know, Gary, if you like in
I
terms of
don't
like
think there's
economic
much
data.
real, like, huge news.
Yeah, I know.
Other like CPI, I think that's like the big thing. And
Yeah, I mean, at least that's what people like. Most people pay attention to. Even though there's more data to come out that could potentially shed more light, people just pick one.
well, like
And
PPI, that's
yeah,
always not as important, you know.
yeah, That is
But commodities have come down.
yeah. Yeah, yeah. You're holding calls of where I'm waiting for tomorrow. Yeah. I mean, like, we're leading towards the data not being as bad, and then the market rallying because we had to sell off into that. So hopefully that's the case there, Carlos, right? Hopefully a rally tomorrow. That would be really nice. Would be really, really nice. So yeah.
What is the one dangerous thing though?
The dangerous thing
Oh,
for
surprise.
oh, yeah, yeah. Yeah. I mean, the surprise is always
Surprise is either good or it's either bad.
you know, yeah, exactly.
From
You don't
from
want
the look at things and the way things have been going,
Mhm.
I think it's
A good
kind of
surprise.
making them,
Good
they're
surprise.
ready. I think they know.
Yeah, yeah. I hope so too. I'm ready for the
But when
thrusting to
9.1 came out the last time, they were not happy, man.
nope. And the Fed came out and said, "Yeah, you know what? 75."
Well, then it was, then it became the talk of, 100,
Yeah, exactly.
you know.
Yeah. I was expecting them to do 100 just because Canada did 100, but
Yeah, I don't know.
yeah,
Maybe the boss said, we got to
Canada
keep
can
them for
suck
now.
it. Yeah, exactly. Canada can suck it. What do those Canadians know? They can go to 100. We don't care. We only go to 75.
Yeah, but remember, initially everything was, nope, we're just going to do 50, 50, 50, 50.
Yeah,
And
yeah,
then it got boosted to 75. And then it's like, okay, well, if things look good, we could drop it
yeah,
back down to 50. And maybe,
yeah,
you tell me. You
yeah,
tell me.
exactly. Remember when they wanted to do 25s,
I
25,
think
25?
after the jobs data, now it's 75. You
Yeah,
know,
yeah. 75s. Yeah, no,
I
well,
like Tej.
yeah.
I want
You
that
like
info now.
wow, look at these orders, Gary. $2 million, 1.2 million, 600,000. These are
Unbelievable.
like, yeah. I want that info now. Yeah, tomorrow, Tash, tomorrow. And like that's still one like like most kept secret, Gary. Like the CPI stuff. I mean, like everything else can be leaked. It seems like everything else is leaked in the market. Almost seems like earnings can be leaked. Yeah, and yeah.
I mean, it's been funny like times past when, situations like that occur, all of a sudden you see
Mhm.
something like really pumping and it's like, what's the deal? Then of course, the number comes out and it's like,
Mhm. Mhm. Yeah.
huh.
Yeah. Exactly.
I
Uh,
think they've got a good idea.
yeah.
Did you call Leisman?
Yeah. Call Eastman.
Steve Leisman.
Oh, the guy that always has the bald head.
Yeah, I
From
like him. I
you
like
like
him.
him?
I
Okay.
like him a lot.
He's always
Because he'll ask a tough question.
yeah, exactly.
I mean,
Exactly.
people get annoyed. It's like,
Mhm.
dude, no, let him let it's like, no, I want to know. You
Yeah.
know,
Yeah. Exactly. Queen G says, I just read Iran has placed its first official import order using cryptocurrency worth $10 million, according to government bill. By the end of September, the use of cryptocurrencies and smart contracts will be widespread in foreign trade with target countries. Yeah, I feel like it's just a matter of time. Like, it's just a matter of time,
some of those, I mean, mega runs, man, mega
Yeah,
runs over the
yeah,
past. Like, if you look at like between like the day, week, and like 3 month,
yeah,
a lot of that crap. I mean, ETC and a lot of those where from $14 and all that. I mean, there've been a lot of gains around the market. The
yeah,
past few months.
yeah, yeah, yeah. And the games will continue till
I hope so. I still got to
yeah.
get out of my Hong Kong, 2,500 thing.
No, the game and that is over, Gary. Just pack your bags and move to Hong Kong. Hopefully, they give you hopefully you can find a bridge in Hong Kong. Tell them you hold a big piece of their history. You'll be a hero.
Oh my god.
We're like, what? You bought the bag from us? Wow. Welcome, 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 sir. We have some noodles for you and a spot under the bridge.
I will gladly trade you a torch divvy for.
For Hong Kong share? Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. Roger? Yeah. Iran? Yep.
No, it's cool.
Yeah.
Anyway, sir, I'm going to take the
Very
camera off the face and fade into the background. But just want to
okay, sounds good.
come on, say hello, give you some company, say
Thank you
hello
very
to
much.
everyone.
Thank you, thank you.
Yeah, you're most welcome,
It's always,
man. It's always
it's
fun.
fun. Yeah. It's always fun having Gary on. Gary's yeah. Unless Gary wants to stay for like another like 10 minutes, and then we can call it a day. But
I've got some baseball to watch here, man.
like nothing deters Gary from like watching baseball, guys. Not even football. Not even like football. Not even like soccer. Nothing at all. Nothing at all.
Priorities.
Priorities. Unbelievable.
The
Alrighty, Gary.
market's not doing anything, man. Baseball now.
Yeah. Like we're not doing anything. We're just up and down, up and down, up and
Yeah.
down.
No, I'll have you
Yeah.
on the side in chat, but I want to watch some baseball.
Yeah. Okay. Sounds good, Gary. Have
All right,
a.
guys. Nice catching up with you all.
Let's go. Gary. Roger says CPI squeeze. Gary.
Hope so. I hope so. That's the plan.
Squeeze.
Let's go. That would be beautiful.
Yeah.
All right,
Maybe.
guys. Love you,
Alrighty.
Blaze. Love you all.
Love
We'll talk
you.
soon.
Have a wonderful night, Gary.
Yeah, you too, man. All
See you
right.
later. Okay, bye.
Bye.
Let's go, guys. That was Gary. We need more shops and restaurants willing to make payments using B2C. I mean, like Maddie, um, like it's Bitcoin. Like I feel like they're better. They're better in like mediums. I mean, they're better transactional coins than Bitcoin, though, right? I can like I see exactly what you mean. But I'm not about to go like I'm not about to go spend like I will not spend like I'm not gonna go order a burger and say I want to pay with Bitcoin. You know what I mean? Um, so I just won't do that unless Bitcoin gets to a point in the future where like, hey yo, Iron, unless Bitcoin gets to a point in the future where it's like it's really stable, it's become like almost like you can it will store value, and it's become like gold, and it's not as volatile. It's not like $22,000 one day and 17 the other day, 50K the next day, right? Once we can like actually chill out and find an actual level to hold. And then we can go from there. There's a coffee shop in London that accepts B2C payments. Yeah, there are a few stores, right? But like in terms of like, you know, they're just like better transactional projects out there than Bitcoin. Like Bitcoin wasn't really made for that, anyways, right? So, ciao, 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 ciao. No, I hope we get a squeeze tomorrow. Roger, we'll see. It's 4 a.m. 4 a.m. Tesh. 4 a.m. 4 a.m. for Maddie. 4 a.m. for Tesh. Um, Tesh, get some rest, please, and thank you. See you in Discord for some stonks. Please and thank you. Get some rest. XRP, what's it? Oh yeah, XRP in terms. Yeah, there you go. Right, yeah. There's some better projects out there for transactions. Hold the goods, spend the crop dollar. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Um, I mean, again, that's another point too, right? Hold the. It's 11 p.m. for you. 11 p.m. Yeah, it's just past 9 for me. You guys are 2 hours ahead, Brian. 2 hours ahead. It's just 9 p.m. for me. So we'll go for another 10 minutes, guys. Peter says, "Who's this? Whose kidneys are these, Peter? Peter's on Twitch, guys. Hi, Peter. Hey, yo, are you like, is it glitching at all, Peter, or is it good? Like, let me know if it's good. Um, let me know. I just wanted to check and see if it was good, right? To make sure it's not glitching, and then go from there. Because it was glitching for Michelle, but it's good for Tesh. It's good for me. It's good. It was glitching for D. XRP needs 5 years. It works. Let's go, Vita. Perfect. No, as long as it works. No glitch. Okay, perfect. Yeah, it was glitching for some people. So let's go. No, it's working. It's working, guys. That's all we need, right? So then we can just do both. If there's ever an issue, we can just switch over, and then we're good to go. Like nothing changes, right? Nothing at all. Yeah, and then go from there. Pump it, Brian. Much well. Pump it. No rest for the weekends. For the weekends. Maddie, do you trade crypto or you just like what do you trade? Do you trade crypto or just stonks? Thank you very much, pizza. Thank you. XRP at 35 cents or lower seems to be a good hold. Having check price, yeah, I like XRP at this price, right? As a speculative gamble, right? So it's one thing for like it's one big again. So I like the project itself, but then when you take a look at again, there's we talk about this in the market all the time. How like a good stock is not a good company, a good stock like a good stock is not a good company. A good company isn't necessarily a good stock, right? So are you shorting ETC ASAP, Ian? Like tonight? Yeah, don't mind that. I think tonight leading towards shorting, and then maybe getting rid of that, maybe getting rid of these shorts tomorrow morning for potential rally. We'll see what happens, right? Just don't want to get caught on the wrong side of like CPI data there, because that thing moves quick. When that information comes out, it moves really quickly. So Yorkshire. Yorkshire man, I'm watching on both Twitch and YouTube. Loyal viewer here. Let's go. Who are you, by the way? Who are you? I think you might have a different name. Uh, is this Maddie? Is it Matt? Who is this person? Watching on both platforms. I'm a loyal viewer. Thank you very much. It's going to pump Denmark. Um, from now, what do you mean, Denmark? What do you mean? So Ayin, you're taking a short position tonight, and then you're getting rid of it, or what are you doing? I know Jason is short as well. He's short at GMT. So I'm sure he's super excited. Let me take a look at some of these projects. Actually, I don't think I've looked at them tonight. So ETC here, for example, it's me. Okay, Maddie, let's go. Maddie, come join us in Discord. By the way, come join us in Discord. You're slacking. Come join us in Discord. Uh, Boring things is that everyone is shorting. Majority are usually wrong in crypto. Exactly, right, Stuart? Again, I think shorting everything, shorting everything, shorting everything tonight, Stuart. And then you might want to get rid of those shorts tomorrow morning before that data comes out, because it might be a pump. It might be a pump, right? So it might be a pump. With everybody, yeah, might be a pump tomorrow. Like I would not be surprised one bit to see a pump tomorrow. Let me take a look. You took a short at 37. What are we at? 37-ish? Yeah, we're still at 37. Wow, that's a quick dip. That's a quick dippity dip there on the 1 minute here. Like, I mean, again, leaning towards shorting tonight, right? Short. And then see what happens as we go into tomorrow there. Let me see what Matic looks like. My favorite short. Hi, Matic. 88. Oi. Damn. I mean, this thing was such a nice short at 80s, at above the 90s. Hmm. That's really annoying. Really annoying them. I mean, the amount of times that Matic has been a nice short above like 90 has been the amount of times, right? The other day market pump for crypto was red flat. Yeah, Roger. What a knife. I mean, that thing dropped really quickly, actually. I Right, so I mean that's what happens when like when the market sells off, right? Etc. Yeah, that's what happens when the market sells off, and some of these projects have been just done too much, right? I mean, this thing is going hard, right? So it's dipping hard. um wow. I might need to sucks. ETH classic sucks. Might need to join you on this short here, right? So I wanted this damn thing at $50 to short it, but it never got there, right? So I think we only got to like what, 42, 41 maybe. um yeah, just above 40. Oi. Mhm. Yeah, I bet you like every rally we get tonight, it will be good for shorting. Like every rally we get into tomorrow, all the rallies for shorting, right? So yeah, so give me a rally, please, and thank you. Small rally. I'm lonely. I'm so lonely. Nobody chat to me. I'm on my own. Lonely. Yeah, that's Matt. Yeah, that's Twitch though, right? We just created that today, Matt. So there's no one on there yet. No one on there yet. So la 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 la. You can't even see the comments, right? So Twitch comments, can see Twitch comments. Jason, let's go, Jason. Jason says, I'm here, guys. It's working for you, Jason? I'm here. There you go. You have company now, Matt. You have company. You have company. Let's go. You have company. That's funny. Yeah, we're gonna do both as a counterplay to the ether merge. Yeah. So they will not support any ether proof of work chain post merge short etc to oblivion. Ooh, working great. Let's go, Jason. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Don't tempt me. Don't tempt me, altcoin degen. They will not support any ETH proof of work chain, post merge, short ETH classic to oblivion. Don't tempt me with a good time, please and thank you, because I will short ETH classic here. Um, Let me see what this looks like on some bigger time frames, because I know it doesn't look good at all, right? So, but I just don't want to be shorting things as as they're crashing, right? You almost want to like short some of these bounces here, right? Like these bounces are really nice for shorting. Like bounce, short it, bounce, short, right? So why took no, it was just again just the stream itself, Bonnie. Just the stream itself was down. Switching, we're switching and YouTubing. No, one of these streams, my battery is going down 5% every minute. Yeah, York, Matt, yeah, you need to shut it down. Let me see here what the 4 hour looks like. What does the daily look like here, by the way? I mean, you take a look at this daily here for ETH Classic. I mean, ETH Classic is still extended. Like this thing has a ways to go, um, right? If this thing was looking weak like it is now, and there wasn't data coming out tomorrow, this could potentially be a nice long term short, right? For ETH Classic here. I mean, it went from $13, pump, 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 right? Again, basically just flagging here on the daily, and it's holding that moving average there still, like the 9 EMA here. It's holding really well, right? So if this thing fails to close below, like if this thing closes below tomorrow, below 3660 here, right? This thing is going to the bridge. If this thing closes below this 3660 here, iron to the bridge. Like this thing is again, you can see that the last few days here we've just been flagging and kind of holding the same level, right? It's I mean it's up and down. Like it's been up and it's been down. It's been up, it's been down. Right. If this thing like wavers a little bit here at 3670, 3660, oh yeah, it's about to sell up hard, right? So too fast that comes back down exactly. The only concern, the bridge, Gary. Yeah, let's go, Jason. Ooh, what is that, Jason? That's a cool. Are those like different so Twitch has like different things. Let me see here. Twitch has like different things. That's cool. You waffle to the bridge, Gary. Right. So, but bridge life. No, again, if this thing again, like this would be a really nice short. Um, it would be a really nice short um, if right, we didn't have data coming out tomorrow that potentially could change things, right? So different emotes. Okay, that's very cool actually. Very very cool. Carries the whole crypto space in it, bruv. He carries the whole crypto space. No, and that's the issue. That's the issue, right, Roger? That's the issue. It's not just about ETH. That's not what it's about, right? It's again, there's a lot more happening tomorrow and the rest of the week than just ETH, right? So and then ETH Classic, right? So yeah, that's the problem. Like if that thing broke below and it was just about that, yeah, short. But the fact that we have data that could potentially bounce, cause the market to rally tomorrow because everyone's short. How do you find me on Twitch, Virus? The link is in the Hangout general So we're gonna do like both at the same time, and then at the same time. Uh, Unbelievable. All natural, all natural, all natural. No, we'll see what happens tomorrow. It's only for Hot Trades Whales, cuz yeah, Hot Trades Whales only on Twitch, guys. Please and thank you. That's like the member only stream. Yeah. Member only stream. Again, don't forget to smash a like, guys. Hit that subscribe if you're new. And if you're not a member yet, just follow the link that's at the bottom there from Virus and Nightbot. So come join us in Discord. Maddie, we're looking at you. Why is your name still come join us? There you go. What qualifies as a whale? I honestly don't know. I don't know. But Stuart, you're one of them. I don't know what it takes. But anyways, um, Now I'm almost like looking at 44. Let's go. I'm almost looking at like ETH Classic here. I'm like, damn, I want to short. I want to short for the night. I want to short. So tomorrow, I want to short it. I want to short. Open a donation link in your Twitch profile. People get very generous on there. Did you open a donation link? No, I don't know how that works, Maddie. I don't know. Just created the Twitch account like a few hours ago. How do I find you on DWAG Truth? Yes, Stuart. How do I find you on DWAG Truth Social? You don't. I don't know, Gary. I don't know. I'm just kidding. Yeah. We'll try and figure that out tonight. The annoying thing though is that like the comments, there's not a whole lot of people on Twitch yet, so the comments are only like specific to like to like platforms. So if you make a comment on Twitch, I can see it, but like people on YouTube can't see your comments, or like vice versa. So vice versa, yeah, that thing's just flagging them. Let me see what the 4 hour looks like here for this. I mean that's just a massive flag, right? For ETH Classic here, like just a massive flag on the 4 hour, like just sideways. You know what I mean? So if that thing starts breaking down there, I mean like on most of these timelines, right? Massive flag. If we start breaking below again, that 36 whatever there, and closing below, that might be an issue. 15 minutes here. Interesting. La 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 la. $38. Give us a rally to 38. I like and I cannot lie. La, la, la. To be honest, financial advice, but who the heck is not who the heck is not is looking to but is not looking to short CEL. CEL. Let me tell you what's that. CEL. Celsius. Oh, I don't think I can. I don't think oh, actually. I mean, that thing is like oh, Celsius. Okay, cool. Yeah, Celsius. Hmm. I don't know. That's enough though. Let's go. People are shorting. They are. Uh oh. Uh oh. Roger. Uh oh. Is that the daily resistance? Yeah, 2 cents. And I think it's probably gonna gain some zeros there, but yeah. On Twitch, how come I can't see it? Man, can't see it. Cannot see it. It says 5. If you're watching on Twitch, it says hi. Can you say hi on Twitch? I've just left. If you're watching on Twitch, just say hi. Say hi. Type in hi. Let's see. So yeah, Matt is watching on Twitch. Say hi. Just type in hi. Scammers, prove me wrong. No, out. Yeah. I when I say no, I mean like yes, as in yes. I agree. I agree. Is a Ponzi? Yep. I agree. Scam. Why not $5, Gary? Because ooh, I like this. And what's virus? Let's go. And what? And thrust. Let's go, Mr. Thrust 69 on Twitch. Matt says everyone's leaving. I smell. I smell or nothing or something. No. Jason, I like these emotes. These are cool. Jason, I like those. Can I see that emote on like? Give it a week. Yeah. Give it a week. uh, I like those emotes. That's very cool. Show media. Why did the music stop, by the way? Why is the music stops? Never thought the day would come that I would say I'm on Twitch, bro. Peter's on Twitch, guys. Peter's watching on Twitch. Peter said, "I never thought the day would come, guys. Someone has Mr. Thrust. No, never thought the day would come. That I would say, I'm on Twitch, bro. I'm on Twitch. Peter, you're on Twitch, bros. I'm on Twitch, bro. That's funny. That's funny. Peter, I that's what the cool kids are saying. Uh, I like these emotes actually. I like these emotes on like these emotes on Twitch are funny. Look at some of these emotes here. They're funny, right? They're funny. Peter, does look like you, doesn't it? Peter, Virus. Look at these emotes, guys. It's actually cool. Um, Hype. Let's go. He's enough. Emotes are free. They're free. Let's go. Come on. Look at that. Look at that. Look at Twitch going crazy, guys. Look at Twitch. Come find us here, love chat. Come find us here at Naked Thrusting. Come find us here. Let's go. No, you guys need to good on Reddit or FOMO days. I'm twitching, man. I'm twitching, gang. Twitching. Anyways, no, that's just like a backup, guys. For when so when anything like rubbish happens, we can just like move on to Twitch, right? Nothing changes. Stream keeps running. We just move on, right? So, yeah, we'll be coming, pizza. Come find me over here. Let's see. Twitch doesn't allow. It means will be a passion. Yeah, these emotes are cool, right? So very cool. What is that? Oh, raid. How does a raid work, Matt? I have no idea. How does a raid work? You're gonna have to educate me, Matt, on like how this stuff works. There you go. La, 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 la. Oh, I miss you all on YouTube's. I miss you all on YouTube's. No, yeah, there you go. Yeah, so now we can run both platforms, and whichever one goes down, we can continue with the next and the next. Anyways, um, what time is it, guys? Yeah, we just wanted to come on and hang out for a bit, right? And kind of see like Jason. That's a funny. You can see the dancing on like Twitch, or you can see the dancing on here, which is annoying. Jason, that's cool. Man, these emotes are fun. These are fun actually. Let's go. Fire. That's exciting. That's exciting. So, yeah. Well, you guys are following everyone that's on YouTube and not on Twitch. You guys are following everybody. So, my YouTube is fine, Gary. No, exactly. No, this is just a backup, right? Well, mainly gonna be on YouTube's mainly. I feel work. You feel work. Viruses. I feel work, guys. I made it to the cool kid, the cool kids club. Cool kids club. And now we listen to jazz, Stuart. We listen to jazz. I need to watch that video still, Stuart. I just had to figure all this stuff out today. You know. Oh, okay. Look at this, guys. We listen to jazz now, and we listen to like all this music. I feel woke. Anyways, let me know if you have any last questions, guys. This was fun. This was a lot of fun. Hanging with Gary and whatnot. If some random joins your Twitch chat, they're gonna be by the emotes. I know, Maddie. I know. No. But like, Maddie? How do you like, Maddie? I'm telling you, you need to join Discord because I have questions. I have questions, Maddie. I have questions that I need answered. But anyways, like, how does someone find your stream on disc on like on Twitch if they don't follow you? BBRG. Like, how does someone find you on Twitch, Maddie, if they're not like, if you don't share it, right? So, Doge AMC Warrior says, I appreciate, hope you all make money in the future. Cheers. I wish the same thing for you as well, Doge AMC Warrior. And have a wonderful evening. And yeah, cheers. 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 Can you like, how does, these are cool. Twitch emotes. Cool. No, reliable colors. Cool. On the chat follows on the chat, slow mode. Okay, cool. Very cool. I'm just looking at that stuff. Drops. What hey yo, Eric? How are you? Hopefully you're having a good night, Eric. You show up on Twitch for anyone to find, man. Okay, sounds good. Please, 215? 215, 215, 215. Oh, 21.5, 21.5. Stuart, yeah. Let's get there tonight. Otherwise, if we don't get there tonight, Stuart, it might require some FOMO tomorrow. So we've kind of looked at the charts for Bitcoin here tonight and talked about how we're selling off, and maybe the expectation here is that, look at that, someone just bought $1.3 million worth of Bitcoin. But anyways, right? So the fact that we're kind of selling off into CPI data, I think the expectation is that these numbers will come down a bit, right? And the market might send it tomorrow again. No need to Kaka. What happened? You tried? You tried. That's okay. All right. So the chart showing the funds on the sideline. No, I did not. That is something I am genuinely interested to see here. Let me see the funds. I feel like I've been slacking, but I really have been slacking today. Let me see here. Oh my goodness. So as for list of sidelines counters size, 23 billion. Shows improvement. We need some good news. News pump again. Yeah, exactly, Eric. So Gary and I, spent the majority of the last hour talking about like what the expectation is tomorrow, and we are both kind of leaning towards like it being better, and then a little bit of a rally tomorrow. So I hope we do sell off tomorrow, though. I hope we sell off in like tonight, especially for crypto, and then a gap down tomorrow for SPY. Like lead with a sell off before that number comes out, and then we can maybe celebrate, right? That's a lot of money. FTX Ventures. That's a lot of monies on the side. Was playing soccer. Yeah, that's a lot of monies there. Wow. $23 billion sitting on the sidelines for crypto. Counters. Wow, interesting. Yeah, I mean, like when we start rallying, Stuart. I mean, if we break about $24,000 again, 25, I think we might send it. Predictions, Eric. So we did a poll earlier, and majority of people are thinking we go up tomorrow, right after that data. Right, we might sell up before, but yeah, 8.7 ish. Guess 7.5. 7.5 would be a dream. Eric. I think kind of the expectation. Queen, I think Queen shared an article or whatever that was, right? And they were expecting 8.7, which is better than 9 point whatever. So we'll see. Again, the question is like, what does the market view as, is 8 point, is it good enough? Is this good enough? Right, 8.8, Stewart. Okay, yeah, 8.8. I think we're all expecting to be below 9, but the question is like, what's good enough, right? Is 8.8 good enough for the market to see as an improvement, right? Probably. But we'll find out tomorrow, right? So I just hope we're selling off really nicely into tomorrow. What's ETH Classic at now? I think I took it off. I took it off. And then yeah, go from there. Eric 7.5. 7.5, the market would thrust. Like, I mean, the market would like go from like, Bitcoin would go from like 23 to 27 because it wouldn't know where to go. More than that, but whatever gets the market going, exactly, Eric. Whatever gets the market going, right? So, yeah, yeah. Ouch. Yeah, I know what you mean, Eric. But we'll find out tomorrow morning and then go from there, right? So, we will find out tomorrow mornings. But yeah, no, anyways, guys, we just wanted to come out and hang out for a bit and, kind of test out both platforms and talk about crypto and CPI and whatnot, right? And then go from there. So tonight should be pretty telling. Pre-market and future should be pretty telling, right? We'll see, and then go from there. Can we stream an hour earlier tomorrow? Maybe, maybe. All you need now is a hot trades TikTok. Well, Stuart, well, can we stream on TikTok? No, streaming on TikTok. No, these are two massive platforms, right? It's not the same, Stuart. It's not the same. Uh, it's it's not the same, Stuart. We just don't want to have a like one be not working, and then we can like or you use a TikTok, and then we can do some little dances while we stream at the same time. You can virus, you can. Oh well, okay. He needs to start dressing in panties and get an OnlyFans. You know what, Maddie? Peter actually suggested that in Discord earlier today. Let's just move on to put some things on, and then talk about stonks. How sassy would that be? TikTok thrusting, yeah, that would be the perfect spot. Thrusting on TikTok or like OnlyFans videos. Yeah, I mean, Tess should be we would be a TikTok star. You know what I mean? So, but anyways, guys, we're gonna leave it here for tonight. See you guys in Discord. We'll see what happens overnight. Most of you criminals are shorting crypto already, anyways, which is probably the thing to do, right? So, be safe. Don't do too much. We'll see you guys in Discord. Might have to be a yeah, Maddie. Yes, yes, yes. Again, don't forget to smash the like, hit that subscribe, and if you're not a member, come join us in Discord. The membership link is at the bottom of the chat from Virus. Tomorrow we thrust Jason. Let's go, Jason. To everyone on Twitch, thank you very much. Have a wonderful night. You Twitch criminals, and yeah. So again, follow the link at the bottom there if you're not a member, and then send me an email. Email at the top of your screen here, hottradex@gmail.com, and I'll send you an invite and whatnot. Let's go, Virus. Mr. Thrust 69. Virus, is your name? You're gonna be thrusting at work, Maddie. Get some rest so you can be at work fresh, ready to go. Stuart, have a wonderful night. Peace out, my brethren. Let's go. Peace, Stuart, Virus. Peace, Maddie. Peace, Jason. Peace, Carlos. We go tomorrow. Eric, have a wonderful night at work. See you in the morning. Um, Gary, baseball. Enjoy. See you tomorrow. And yeah, yeah. Everyone, have a wonderful night, guys. Thank you guys very much. We shall see you guys later, and have a wonderful night. Bye, guys. Bye. Good night. Good night. Good night. Good night, Edwin. Good night. Good night. Get some rest, Edwin. We're ready to go tomorrow morning, please and thank you. Already? Bye, guys.